Hi, welcome to my video on tangent to a circle number 1. A line or a segment that intersects a circle at only one point is called a tangent. So we have a circle here and we have a line, O is the center, and it says AB intersects the circle at T. So AB is the line intersecting the circle at T. That means that AB is tangent to the circle because the tangent intersects a curve or a circle at one point. Number 3, O is the center of this circle. FH is tangent to the circle at E. That means that OE is perpendicular to FH because a line drawn from the center of a circle to the point of tangency. E is the point of tangency. So the FH intersects the circle at E at one point. So a segment drawn from the center to the point of tangency is perpendicular. That means it forms a right angle. Number 4, again we have a circle. We have O as the center. TV is tangent at V, so TV is tangent at V. Angle O is 70, so that's 70 degrees. We got to find angle T because this is a tangent at V. This is the center of the circle, so this segment comes down and the radius and the tangent hit at point V, so there's a 90-degree angle because they're perpendicular. So if that's a 90, the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So we have a 70 plus a 90 plus angle T equals 180. So that means that this is 160. So we subtract angle T is 180 minus 160. So angle T is 20 degrees. So 20 degrees, 70 and 20, put this degree on it. 70 and 20 makes 90. Since this angle is 90, these two are complementary. They add up to 90, making a total of 180. Number 5, again, O is the center of this circle right here. It says AB is tangent to the circle at A. Because it's tangent, the radius and the tangent meet at a 90 perpendicular to each other, so that angle OAB is 90 degrees perpendicular. Now, if the arc AC is 64, then from previous videos, the arc and the central angle are the same, so angle O is 64 degrees. So the central angle cuts off this arc, 64, so this angle is 64. And again, we have a 64 degree plus a 90 degree plus angle B is 180. That's the sum of the angles of a triangle. So that adds up to 154. So that means that, make that a plus there, the angle B is 180 minus 154. So angle B is equal to 26 degrees. So angle B here is 26 degrees. Number 6, again, O is the center of this circle. It says that NT is tangent at N. So NT is tangent at N. So this is the radius, ON. So the radius and the tangent meet at the point of tangency. So that's a 90-degree angle. So we have a 6. So from here to here is 6. From OT is 6. TP is 4. So that makes that 10. So OT is the radius of a circle. ON is the radius of a circle. So that means ON is equal to 6 because all radii are equal. So we have to find what NP is. NP, let's call it X. So we have a right triangle, and that we have a C squared is A squared plus b squared. C is the hypotenuse, so that's 10. A is 6, and B is x. So we have 100, 36, x squared. So x squared, 100 take away 36 is 64. So x is plus or minus the square root of 64. So let's go up here. X is plus or minus 8. And it can't be negative, so the answer x is equal to 8. So that means NP is equal to 8. Again, the tangent and a radius meet at the point of tangency to form a 90-degree angle. So that's what this video is illustrating. And we have another one to do. So we have a circle and we have information. O is the center of the circle right here. It says that JM is tangent at M. So JM is tangent at M. Angle J is 60. So this angle here is 60 degrees. And JM segment, JM is 4 units long. Find the area of the circle in terms of pi. Well, we'll draw this segment going down here. So this is the radius of the circle. This is the point of tangency. So this is the 90-degree angle. We have a 90-degree angle and a 60-degree angle. So this is 90. These two angles must add up to 90. So this angle at O is 30 degrees. So we have a special right triangle, 30, 60, 90. So in a special right triangle, opposite the 30 is n. Opposite the 90 is 2n. And opposite 60 is n root 3. So what we have, n is equal to 4. So that means that if n is 4, 2n is equal to 2 times 4. So that means this side is 8. And n is n root 3. N is 4, so it's a 4 root 3. So this side is 4 root 3. So OM is the radius of the circle. So OM is 4 root 3, and OM is my radius. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So we want the area in terms of pi. We don't want to use 3.14. The radius is 4 root 3, and we're going to square it. So pi, so 4 root 3 times 4 root 3. 4 times 4 is 16. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which is 3. So that gives us 48. So the answer is 48 pi. So if this unit is centimeters, this is 48 pi square centimeters. If this unit is in inches, this is 48 pi square inches. So this is a unit. So whatever the unit is being squared because it's the area. Number 8. Again, we have a circle whose center is O. And HK is tangent to the circle at N. HK is tangent to the circle at N. And HO is equal to, this one is 6 root 2. And angle NOK, angle NOK is 30 degrees. So we have that filled in. Find the exact parameter of the triangle HOK. Parameter, we got to find the length of HO, find the length of OK, and find the length of HK and add them all up. And it's the exact. So we have to use no decimals. So this is tangent. So because that's tangent at N, this radius ON and the tangent meet to form a 90-degree angle. So these are perpendicular. ON is perpendicular to HK at the point of tangency, so that's a 90-degree angle. Now, because we have these two sides, ON equals HN, that means these two sides are equal. So that means we have two sides equal. So that means if two sides are equal, this angle and this angle must be 45. If this is 90, and if two sides are equal, two angles are equal by isosceles triangle theorem. So these two angles are both 45s. This makes a special right triangle. So this side is n, and this side is n. This side is n root 2. So we have, n root 2. Yeah. So n root 2 is equal to 6 root 2. Cancel out the root 2's, so n is equal to 6. So that means this side is 6, and this side is 6. Now, we need to work on this triangle. We have a 30-degree angle, we have a 90-degree angle, so this means that this angle here is 60. 30 plus 60 makes 90 with a 90 degree. So if this angle is 90, these two angles add up to 90. They're complementary. Or 90 and 30 is 120. 60 left over makes 180. Again, we have a special right triangle similar to here. We have a triangle with 30, 60, 90. So opposite 30 is, I'm going to put another letter here other than N. Let's call it A. So this is 2A. This is opposite 30 is the short side A. Hypotenuse is twice A. So that means this side here is A root 3. Very similar to up here. So that means in this triangle right here we have a 6. So A root 3 is equal to 6. We divide by root 3 on each side. So A is equal to 6 over root 3. Now we have to remove the radical from the denominator, so we multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So we get 6 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which is 3. 3 and the 6 goes 2, so we get a 2 root 3. So A is 2 root 3, and 2A, 2 times A is 2 times 2 root 3, which is 4 root 3. So this side is 4 root 3. So we need the perimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle HOK is, start here, I got a 6 root 2. And right here I got a 4 root 3. Right here I got a 2 root 3. And right here, HN is 6. So add all them up. I can only add like terms. So the like terms, I got a 6 root 2, 4 root 3, and 2 root 3 make 6 root 3 plus a 6. So that's the exact parameter. You can only add the same square root to itself. So the root 3, that makes a 6. So root 2, 6 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus 6 is the exact parameter of this triangle. Again, you're looking at the math that we've learned with the trig, everything fits together nicely when you keep on moving in your math topics. And again, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you wish to subscribe to my channel, and visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content that's on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Notice just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.